YouTube? Morning, Tuesday morning. Headed to another job, a dishwasher repair. Actually, it's a dishwasher not letting in water. Well, you would assume it's the water valve, but it's actually the control board. But anyway, how you guys doing? You see the van is getting a little messy. I'm getting more parts in here. Today I wanted to talk about, just to let you know, I kind of wing these videos. None of this is scripted. It's kind of off the top of the head, so sorry for any grammar issues or just me stuttering or pauses, or I'm just trying to just do it naturally and whatever comes off my head. So one of the videos I want to talk about today is distance, how far you travel. I live in South Florida. I live in West Palm Beach. You guys might know where that is. I don't live in West Palm Beach. Let me clarify that. I live in Palm Beach County. So let's just say that. And I pretty much do most of the county. North and south. Far north, far south of the county I do. I don't go all the way west to like Belglade, and I might do Loxahatchee and Wellington and all those there. That's where I'm headed to now, Loxahatchee. That's the name of the city, and it's pretty much like a rural area. A lot of dirt roads and stuff like that. Usually people have at least an acre of land on their houses. Yeah, you got to decide how far you want to go. Now, for me, people have probably said this in the video, when you own your own business, you have to pay for gas. I pay for gas every day. Me personally, I stick to $25 a day. Every day. Since I got this new van, I want to say it's probably less. I might be skipping some days depending on how far that day I went. If I'm in 20-mile radius of my area, I can probably get away with not getting the gas up for the next day if the next day is still in my area. But general rule of thumb, I get gas every single day. And so when you factor that in, $25 a day, you know, if you're working 5 days a week, it's different. But 6 days a week, let's just say, if you're working Saturdays, that's $150 a week. You know, so you got to factor those things in. $25 a day, to me, why I started with that basis is because that's what I was doing when I was with another company. I used to gas up. I had gas cards. Last company I worked for, I had a lot of freedom. I can't say how a lot of people work in their companies, but I was with the guy, like I said, so long from a kid. So he kind of like raised me up. So, you know, he kind of knew I was trustworthy and things like that. Some people don't get the same treatment. But anyway, so that's where I got that basis of how much gas for what I travel is enough every day. I want to say from where I'm at, 30-40 mile radius maybe. So that's how much I'll travel every day. Not every day, but that's the furthest I usually travel. Now, if a warranty company or if the person wants to pay extra, I have people like more in Fort Lauderdale that they got referred to me and they're like, okay, I'll pay that. And see, my service call outside of my county, like my area, I don't beat people over their heads. It might be 75, 85. I mean, my regular service call in my county is 65. So, depending on how far I gotta go, I'm not gonna bump it up astronomically. And then you gotta factor in. That's why I said I'm gonna do a video with my office girl. It's just very busy getting during the daytime, and then at night, you know, it's just a lot of stuff. So getting her to do a video is gonna be tough. So, but you got to factor in if you have to go back to that job. Do you want to go back the next day? Are you going to be in the same area? All these things you got to take accountability for. And I like this job I'm headed to now. It's a dishwasher. I'm not getting paid any extra labor for this call. because I already came here, diagnosed it, seen what the issue was, tested everything, and now I'm coming back to pretty much finish it. So I'm getting part and labor, but I'm technically not getting labor because pretty much the dishwasher had a different issue. I fixed it and it's still within the 30 days, and pretty much it has another issue that it was doing. Pretty much blew the fuse from a burnt, I don't know if she had a critter or something like that. Fixed that. It seemed like it was working. A couple days later she called back saying that it doesn't seem like water's getting in. Came back, wasn't the water valve, because I tested that was working, so ended up being control board. Back again now. So yeah, just to give you guys an idea, this is the backyard. So yeah, definitely a rural. I don't know if you can see that. It's definitely a dirt road. So you gotta figure out where you want to travel, how you want to do it. Oh, sorry about that. And I've been meaning to do a inventory video, and I wanna try to do it in the best way where I kind of, here's the van now, so it's getting a little full, but also got a new work bag, so you gotta treat yourself. This one I found it came in handy because of this little light right here. I don't know, I'm trying to do it backwards, but anyway, yeah, GE dishwasher, that's what I'm doing now. So I'll get another video for you guys. This is just like I said, sometimes the videos are not going to be too educational, just showing, what I do daily, life of a technician. Try to spark ideas in people's minds if they see something they want to do or emulate, or, I mean, I've watched plenty of videos. There's a lot of things that I've saw that I use in my business. I mean, we all need to help each other. So it works out like that. So yeah, let me get to this job. Yep, here's the part. GE dishwasher. And you guys take it easy. I'm gonna get to work now. Make another video. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know.